Expertise deepened, synergy forged. Our training and team building was a great success. The team dived into milling cutter manufacturing expertise in the professional session, honing core skills and showcasing outstanding professionalism. During team building, we let loose, bonded through fun interactions, with laughter all around and team cohesion soaring. Empowered by professionalism, we unite as one and forge ahead for a brighter future.